Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. And just yesterday, I helped somebody do this, and then we figured out this is what he wanted to do. He kind of sent me a picture. So if you didn't watch part one, you might want to watch part one where we got to this using the artistic media tool. Now we're going to use the extrude tool and go down to it's your box shadow fly out and go to extrude and just click on your item, and then see how my bounding box I can kind of make like kind of in the middle. And what that's going to do, that's going to extrude it. And my computer's acting a little slow today, but then you go right here to color and go right here to use color shading, and it'll come up with another color besides the blue that's on top, and it's already done black, but we want to use this light blue. And well, let's go with the green, see what the green does. Taking a little bit of time, but there you have it. Then just X out of everything and click off of it, and you have an extruded. I mean, I don't know if this would print or how it would look because of the lines, but it's pretty cool. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.